The 2023 Honda Civic Type R looks more reserved than its over-stylized predecessor, but that shouldn't keep it from being more exciting to drive. Honda has unveiled the latest generation of the high-performance Hero, which moves to the more modern platform alongside the standard Civic and Civic C. We still don't have official details on the updated turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but we expect that Honda has upped the ante in the power department. We're happy to report that the next Type R will keep its manual transmission. Drivers who can't do the 3-pedal shuffle are out of luck, as for now the stick is the only transmission Honda has mentioned. What's new for 2023? Honda has revealed the new center styling and some specs, but we're confident those specs will include a more powerful version of the current Turbo 4. We should find out more about the car closer to its on-sale date, which is expected to be in late 2022 or early 2023. Honda hasn't said how much the 2023 Civic Type R will cost, but we expect it'll start just under $40,000 when it goes on sale. However, we're told that won't be until sometime in 2022. The new Civic Type R will continue to be powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, but it'll likely be more powerful than the outgoing generation that made 306 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-foot of torque. Honda has confirmed that the mightiest Civic will still have a standard manual transmission. The upcoming Type R won't have a new chassis, but rather an evolution of the one that underpinned the outgoing model. We believe that rules out the adoption of a control arm front suspension, as seen on the Acura TLX. Instead, the front-drive-only Honda will likely continue to use its innovative dual-axis strut front suspension that does a terrific job of suppressing torque steer. While the next Civic Type R isn't as visually extreme, it still has a prominent rear wing and other aerodynamic addenda. Instead of 20-inch wheels like the previous model, the new center rolls on 19 inches shod with summer rubber with more sidewall. Although the new Civic Type R has a more minimalist interior design than its predecessor, which should give it, as with the exterior, a more mature impression, it's not short of visual flair. Red seat upholstery and matching carpets provide the biggest pop of color. As with the regular Civic, the Type R features a digital gauge cluster and physical climate controls located above a center console with a large storage bin and 2 cup holders. Honda's latest infotainment system runs through a 9.0-inch touchscreen mounted on top of the Type R's dashboard. We expect it to be packed with popular standard features such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless smartphone charging. Although Honda hasn't released a list of driver assistance features for the Civic Type R, we expect the car will continue to come with a host of features as standard. Standard key safety features are likely to include forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control,